Hey, welcome back. Just here working in my garage. Very, very hot day today, 85, 90 here in Western Pennsylvania. So I'm trying to get my garage finished up. I've been working on the metal roof. So I am working on the Stihl as well. Just taking a quick break from that and just trying to get the windows done. I did have drywall up, didn't like that look, so I milled some 1x4 furring strips and then starting to screw steel up. Looks nice, looks clean, a lot brighter in here. So what I'm going to work on is the window jambs here. I have milled some hemlock that's been sitting out for a few months, and that's what I plan on using. Okay, so I'm using rough cut hemlock. It's approximately 4.5 inches wide and cut to the right dimension. So I'm gonna start installing that. I had the kids this morning paint this white. Love this. This is the first time I'm using this. This is the Milwaukee Brad Nailer, the M18 Fuel Series. Great nailer. I think I have 1.5 inch brads in this right now. Next, to get my height of my windowsills for the sides, I have this little DeWalt laser measurer. It's a DW055PL. Turn it on, push the button, and it tells you exactly how. I don't know if you can read that or not. So it's telling me it's 50, it's so sunny, 59 inches. I'm gonna do that again. As you can see at the top, so I'm going to try to center it. Boom, there. Push my button. 60 inches. So on the Milwaukee Brad Nailer, there's a push button here at the back top. Pull it out, put your staples in, push them down towards the bottom, and then slap that back in. Make sure that button's engaged, and you're good to go. So I've got 2 done of the 3. I gotta go back, clean my windows. When I'm all done, trim the windows out and then finish my drywall. But this rough cut hemlock painted white's doing pretty good. Looks good, looks professional, and it's a garage, so it's okay if it's not that smooth. So I'll hit the last window up here on this left side and call it quits for today. Very, very hot today. Milwaukee M18 Brad Nailer gets a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up actually. Drives the nails in great, very quiet. I'm still on my first battery, so lots of juice to it. Doesn't go through the battery, I guess I want to say. Worked very good. So got the inside casings done. Next I'll do the trim on the outside, but that will be for another video. Thanks for joining in. Appreciate all the support, like and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.